Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the term rhyme. Introduction. Rhyme is a fundamental element of English versification, adding musicality and aesthetic appeal to poetry. It involves the repetition of similar sounds at the end of verse lines or within them, contributing to the overall structure and impact of the poem. This video explores various types of rhymes, their effects on poetic composition, and the ways in which poets have utilized them to convey meaning and emotion. Types of rhymes in English poetry. End rhymes. The most common type of rhyme occurring at the end of a verse line, such as late fate or follow hollow. Internal rhymes occur within a verse line as illustrated by A.G. Swinburne's Sister My Sister, O Fleet Sweet Swallow. Masculine rhyme consists of a single stressed syllable rhyming with another, as seen in Still Hill or Bore More. Feminine rhyme or double rhyme involves two syllables, with the first being stressed and the second unstressed, as demonstrated in ending bending. Triple rhyme, a rhyme involving three syllables, often used for comic effect, such as comparison, garrison. Forced rhyme occurs when a poet distorts pronunciation to create a difficult rhyme, often resulting in humor. Use of perfect and imperfect rhyme. Perfect rhyme involves exact correspondence of rhymed sounds, which has been traditionally preferred by serious poets. Imperfect rhyme or partial rhyme, utilized deliberately by modern poets with approximate vowel sounds or similar consonants to add nuance and complexity to the verse. Effects and functions of rhyme in poetry. Musicality and rhythm. Rhyme enhances the musical quality of poetry, creating a harmonious flow that captivates the reader or listener. Reinforcement of syntax and rhetoric. The use of strong masculine rhymes at the end of clauses or stanzas reinforces the syntactical and rhetorical structure of the poem. Emphasis and impact. Rhyme adds emphasis to certain words or lines, allowing poets to highlight key themes or ideas. Comic effects. Certain rhymes, especially triple rhymes or forced rhymes, contribute to the humor and playfulness of the poem. Aesthetic beauty. Rhyme contributes to the overall aesthetic appeal of the poem, engaging the reader on both intellectual and emotional levels. Conclusion. Rhyme plays a significant role in English versification, enriching the poetic experience for both poets and readers. From traditional perfect rhymes to modern imperfect rhymes, poets have employed various forms of rhyme to achieve different effects and to enhance the meaning and emotion of their verses. The use of rhyme, whether through musicality or emphasis, remains a powerful tool in the hands of skilled poets, adding depth and resonance to their literary works. So this was the discussion on the term rhyme. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.